Show you how to install WordPress. So WordPress has kind of like two ways to install. So we have the custom one where you can do it manually, or there is one that you use application like Fantastico. We have Fantastico or Softaculous. That depend on the your cPanel. So many web hosting service providers do already have the easy way to install WordPress in your cPanel server. So we're gonna use the simple way here. Like installing WordPress is a very simple process and takes less than 5 minutes to complete with using this direction. So, but if you want to do it to manually upload, install your WordPress, so you can just follow this documentation here. We're going to put it in the, I'm going to put in the descriptions. Yeah, in the description, YouTube description. So now let's go. We're going to go to the cPanel. So let's say for instance, this is our cPanel. You can search for WordPress here, or you can just scroll down to look for Softaculous. Some of the cPanel, they're going to have something like software. We can download it here, WordPress by this service provider, or you come down, that depends on WordPress. So yeah, so most of the time you're gonna find Softaculous app there, and then you're gonna find WordPress there. So most of the hosting service provider already have that. So you click WordPress. So now you're going to install. We need a quick install. So now if you're gonna install your WordPress in the main, so using the main domain, so you're gonna have to remove this directory. But if you know you are using it for just for the development first, and then after that, once we finish, you're gonna push it now to productions. So it's better for you to have a subfolder. So we're gonna create a subfolder called tutorials. So we're gonna give it a short name tuto. And then here we have the latest versions that we're using there. There we put our password admin. And then there you can just create a, yeah, let's create a password. Which password is gonna be? Yeah, let's just put 3434. Okay, so this is our password. So the password, created the password here. So this is the password. And then here, let's say our admin, we'll just call it tuto. So now it's better as they're giving you some options here that you can use, kind of some plugins. So we can use limit login attempt, and there's some of the other plugins that if you want to use. So in this exercise, we can just use the limit login attempt, which can limit like after 3 attempts, they can log out someone who's trying to log in. So yeah, so now we have manage themes. For this one, we're gonna use it. Yeah, so you go. So here you're gonna have to put your email address so that you can receive the you're gonna have to receive like kind of like the installation of your, yeah, so to receive your installation, so you're gonna use your email address there. Let's test, for instance, my email address there. Yeah, so you put your email address, and then after that we install. Everything is fine, and then install. All right, so yeah, so that was 2 minutes. So now we open, this is the front end, and then let's open the back end. There's the back end there, and then if we come return to overview, go back to overview, and then after that, as you can see, WordPress has been installed. So there, and if you want to edit anything, you can edit. If you want to delete, you can delete, so forth. So now this is the WordPress site. It looks like this. This one is using 2024 theme, WordPress theme. And then we have our backend there. So this is the way to upload to install WordPress. And then, so you must always make sure, so your server must use the latest version of PHP. So we have appearance. When you go to appearance, is here where you can select you can upload your new theme, or you can select any different theme that you want. Okay, so this was how to install WordPress using Softaculous using Softaculous in your cPanel. Thank you so much.